If your workday feels like juggling tools, emails, and updates, you're not alone. But if you're still not using automation for all of that, you're wasting time. Today, we'll walk through the 5 best workflow automation platforms. You'll see how each one handles repetitive tasks, connects to your apps seamlessly, and even uses AI to analyze data. By the end, you'll know which tool fits your workflow so you can spend less time managing work and more time actually getting things done. When you're looking at the absolute best, you just can't skip over Zapier Zaps. For a long time, we thought of Zaps as just simple if this then that connections, but they've evolved into something much more sophisticated. Today, they function as the central nervous system for over 8,000 different applications. What's really changed the game this year is the Zapier Copilot. It's an AI-powered builder where you just describe what you need in plain English, like, hey, when a new lead comes in for my site, summarize their LinkedIn profile and ping the team in Slack, and it actually maps out the logic, picks the right apps, and tests the steps for you. With the latest updates to auto replay and human-in-the-loop checkpoints, you don't have to worry about a workflow breaking while you're out in the field or away from your desk. If an API updates or a connection hiccup occurs, the system intelligently retries or pauses for your approval on sensitive tasks, like sending out a final contract. It's that blend of high-tech AI and common-sense control that keeps it at the top of the list. It's not just about moving data anymore. It's about creating a flawless flow that understands the context of your work to make sure the right information lands in the right hands exactly when it's needed. Then the Gumloop, which approaches automation through an AI-focused workflow structure. At its core, Gumloop works with nodes, and each node performs a single task. Instead of building a complex automation all at once, you simply connect small steps together. For example, imagine you want to collect company information automatically. First, you create an input node that receives a website URL. This becomes the starting point of the workflow. Then you add a website scraper node. When the workflow runs, Gumloop visits the website and extracts the homepage text. Next comes the AI step, which makes things more interesting. You can ask it to provide a one-line description of the company based on the extracted content. The AI reads the text and generates a concise summary. After that, another AI node can categorize the company into predefined industries, like consulting, technology, or manufacturing. Finally, the workflow writes the results into a Google Sheet. This way, the system collects data, processes it with AI, and stores the outcome automatically. Because every step appears on the canvas, it's easy to adjust or expand the workflow as needed. Now, let's look at N8N, which leans toward flexibility and technical control. One reason it's become popular is that it's open source, so you can host it on your own infrastructure. That allows companies to follow their security policies, scale internally, and integrate automation into existing DevOps pipelines. Workflows in N8N still use a visual builder with nodes, but you can also add custom code steps when needed. Developers can run JavaScript or Python to process data, and the platform supports external libraries and HTTP requests, which makes connecting APIs or internal services much easier. On top of that, N8N integrates with more than 400 services, including Slack, Gmail, Airtable, Notion, and Google Drive. When you combine that with AI APIs like OpenAI or Gemini, workflows can automatically enrich leads, categorize them, and push them into a CRM. Overall, N8N suits teams that want a visual builder but also need the flexibility to handle complex technical workflows. Now the Make, and this leans more toward accessibility and visual automation. Here, workflows are called scenarios, and each scenario follows a simple 3-step pattern. First, you get data, then you process it, and finally, you send it somewhere else. For example, imagine a new customer feedback entry appears in Google Sheets. That triggers the workflow. The next module can process that feedback, maybe using an AI tool to detect sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral. Once the analysis is done, the result can be written back to the spreadsheet, while also notifying your team in Slack or updating your CRM automatically. What makes Make easy to follow is the visual canvas. Each module is a connected step, so you can see how data flows between apps. There are hundreds of pre-built scenarios you can copy, connect to your services, and tweak as needed. Because of this, Make works well for teams like yours that want to automate tasks quickly without diving into coding. Finally, we should discuss Jira. It focuses on keeping projects organized and moving smoothly. If you already track tasks and issues here, automation can really save you time. Jira rules have 3 main parts: a trigger, a condition, and an action. The trigger starts the workflow, like when a task moves to done. The condition filters when it applies, maybe checking the project type or issue label. Then the action does the work, updating a status, assigning a task, or sending a notification. A useful feature is handling subtasks. Once all subtasks are done, Jira can automatically mark the parent task complete, keeping your board accurate without extra effort. You can also set up reminders for overdue tasks, sending notifications each morning to the right teammate. With AI now built in, you can just describe the workflow in plain language, and Jira sets up the trigger, condition, and action for you. That makes creating automations faster and easier. So that was all about 5 best workflow automation platforms for 2026. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.